a giraffe is walking, and on it are birds riding. And behind that is the sunset. And then even next to me is Sammy. This is the creation of Allah. How on earth can you say that this was made by chance? This is the best picture. No painter could paint this. If a painter painted this, you would say that this painter is amazing. What about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator of the heavens and the earth? It's obvious that this was designed and created by a supreme overlord, King of Kings, Allah al-Khaliq al-Bari al-Musawwir. Just look at this. Atheists.